katoa, koutou ngā mana whenua, koutou ngā i ngā tapu ngā wehe. Koutou, o tūna mai te tono kia mātou Whare Karioi, ke tau whenua, ki tō whenua tau ura te kata. Nei tātou te ui mā, e kawe atu nei, ngā tikanga Māori, a wai motana ui mā whoronga, kia koutou, te kura, kapahaka, tēnei mai. Tēnā koutou e mau nei tō tātou ihi, tō tātou wana, tō tātou reoranga tira, i roto i te Jakarta. E mihi ana ki a koutou, te ngā tauira o tēnei mai. O reira tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Ladies and gentlemen, kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora. As Alistair alluded to earlier, we are honoured to be here with you. We flew a long way from home, so we are a long way from home. Thank you for allowing us to retain our pride, being a long way from home. How do we retain our pride? By upholding our culture. The culture that was handed down generation to generation from the beginning of time. Here we are in this time, 2025. And that chant and that lament tells an old story from my homeland. It talks about the arrival of Captain Cook coming to Aotearoa to New Zealand. We spoke about his coming to Auckland, or to New Zealand, 350 years before he arrived onto the shores of the North Island. That waiata is 16th century. So an old waiata that was brought back 380 years later. This song here, we sung it last time. I like to take this song everywhere we go. This song speaks about two people from two different countries coming together, becoming one, unified under the one God. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Te
Where
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Te Whare. Te Whare speaks about two peoples from two distant lands coming together. Obviously, we are the strangers in your hometown, so we hope that you embrace us to be one with you. Te Whare. Okay, has anybody got a request? It's okay, it's all good. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to move on to our next song. This item, how the sun doesn't judge you. The sun shines its warmth on you, me, and everybody. It doesn't matter if you're rich or poor. It doesn't matter if you're white or black. Its warmth touches us all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our song we'd like to dedicate to all our people in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, this part here, I want to give the ladies a bit of a rest. Not that they need it, they can go all day, but I'm going to ask our warriors, our young men, our guardians of the tribe, our guardians of the people, to come forth. Repeat after me with a loud voice. Tai aha. Tai aha. One more time. Tai aha. Tai aha. Tai aha is the Maori word for this weapon you hold here. They are holding here in front of you. These weapons were used in combat, hand-to-hand combat. Māori had no projectiles. We had no spears. Our weapon never left our hand. We died with it, never threw it. Ladies and gentlemen, as you see, there's only 4 men here. But if you can imagine a whole army, 300 men. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Naka. At the top we have the blade again, called ate. Show me the ate, please. That is the end you would strike your opponent with. This rako weapon was normally forged from the hardest wood you can find in New Zealand, which is the maire or mataiwa. At the top we have here is the raparapa or the body. This is where you would use to block your oncoming strikes. Above that you have the head, which is to distract your opponents. The plume of feathers you see there. Above that you have the upoko, which is the thrusting end. You have the arero, which is the tongue, the protruding tongue. The protruding tongue was an act of defiance. Now when you got one person with a rako and then you got 300 other people with a rako, you want to show them that you can stand up to anyone. This is that. Before we start, we normally start with a karakia, a limitation. Before war, this is how we would jig ourselves up, hype ourselves up. This is how we would get ourselves in such a bloodlust rage that nothing can stop us. Please enjoy. grandmothers work every weekend. We come together after our real jobs, and after school we come together, after university, after study, and this is what we do. This is what we do. We carry on with all the gifts that our ancestors have handed down to us. It's our duty, but we are honoured to carry this art form forth to the future. Ladies and gentlemen, please round of applause for these beautiful people. Yes, yep. Ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to get you to stand. We're going to get you to stand and just follow you. Ladies and gentlemen, stand. Ready? Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, for having an open heart to share our culture, to learn what we had to give today. Assalamu alaikum.